Hi, and welcome to Fox and Her Creations. I'm Brie, and today I'm going to show you how to do a satin stitched. And today I'm going to show you how to do it on a curved line, because doing it on straight lines is pretty simple. It's the same method, just you don't have to make adjustments. And you can see it's just this really shiny back and forth motion. So I'm going to start off on side A, and then go right over to side B and make my stitch down. And then I'm going to come back up through side A. And you see I started over a little bit further because what we're doing is we're trying to make our stitches fan out to fill in the curve. So in this motion, I'm going to go through that same stitch again on side B and then start filling in stitches as I go from there. I'm going to speed it up here. So you can see I'm just coming back up from side A, down into side B, up to through side A, down to side B. And as I'm going around these curves, I'm making a fanned out stitch pattern with the thread, and then I'll just fill in stitches from there. And with the fanning, you're gonna go through one main stitch multiple times to make this fan motion fill out the whole stitch. And so now I'm going to be basically on a straight line, and this is what you would do if you had a straight row basically to follow. And then you just make your stitches tinier as you reach certain shapes or certain edges. Still the same concept though, up through side A and down through side B. And so this is how you do the satin stitch on a curved piece. Same type of method when you're doing a straight line or filling in other stitches. Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye!